Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instant Pot chicken and shiitake mushrooms with oyster sauce. Let's begin. We're going to make the sauce first. We have here a 1/4 cup of water. We'll need a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped up ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and lastly 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, we're going to take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put this to the side. We have here just about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. We have here just a little bit over 2 cups of shiitake mushrooms sliced up, or 5 ounces. And we also have a 1/4 cup of chopped up green onions. We're going to leave that to the side and let's open up the chicken and cut it up. Okay, let's cut up the boneless chicken thighs. We're just going to cut them into chunks. Like that. Remove the excess fat. There we go. We cut them all into small pieces. And let's start cooking. Okay, we're going to put the chicken into the Instant Pot. Next, we're going to put in the 5 ounces of sliced up shiitake mushrooms. It's a little bit over 2 cups. Next, we're going to take the pre-made sauce and pour it in. Make sure to get every last bit in. Then we're going to mix everything all together, just real quick. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. This is what it looks like before we close it up. We're going to put it in the locking position or closed position. And we're going to turn it on pressure cook. We're going to turn it up to 8 minutes on a high pressure. Okay, the Instant Pot is preheating right now, and we'll be back once the timer is started for 8 minutes on high pressure. The Instant Pot is fully preheated, and the timer started for 8 minutes on high pressure, and we'll be back. It's been a total time of 8 minutes on high pressure, and now let's release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means safe to open. Looks great, it smells really good, and we're going to put it on top of white rice. We're going to pick it up. We're going to take some chopped up green onions and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, Instant Pot chicken and shiitake mushrooms with oyster sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.